NASDAQ has seen some growth figures reaching all-time new records and beating them the next day. The FANG stocks are Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. All 5 of these tech stocks have seen massive growth since the crash of March 26, each experiencing growth of almost double their value from the bottom and more than 50% from their previous highs before the crash. The crazy thing is that jointly their valuations equate to $5.5 trillion. That's more than 10 times the South African economy. Apple became the first company to hit the $1 trillion mark at the beginning of this year, and today it's doubled its valuation to $2 trillion. How can this be with so much unemployment? Did they sell double their product offering with less people buying? Another stock that has seen ridiculous growth is Tesla, which has seen 500% growth in their share price this year, having a valuation larger than BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, Ford, GM, and Toyota combined. How can this be? Tesla sells about 500,000 cars a year, where the other brands combined sell more than 30 million cars a year. Something is very wrong with these evaluations. Tesla's PE now sits at 1,100 to 1. For those that don't understand PE, it stands for performance earning, meaning that for every dollar it makes, it's worth $1,100. If you have a good, stable, successful business and wanted to sell, the PE given to you by a potential buyer would be in the region of 3 to 4. And depending on recurring revenue and assets and licensing, you could get up to 7. At 10, you have won the race. So if your business generates 1 million net profit after tax, you could get 3 to 4 million. Tesla has a PE of 1,100. That is not sustainable and ridiculous. How can a business that generates 1 million be worth 1.1 billion? How can a company have so much value when it has never been profitable? This makes Elon Musk the richest car maker, richer than all the manufacturers combined, selling less cars than any car maker. He is now the 3rd wealthiest person at $115 billion. Speaking to high-profile investors, anything with a PE over 15 is overinflated, a ridiculous figure that can only mean a bubble that will burst, not maybe, but definitely. This type of valuation is unsustainable. It's like you going to every bank and applying for every possible loan at 1,100 times your income. In that moment, you have a massive positive in your bank balance, but soon you have to start paying it back. Good luck. Stock market prices bear no relation to earnings, and that for me is a major concern. Just the FANG stocks plus Tesla account for more than 50% of the NASDAQ, with FANG stocks being up 400% since 2015. Remember, wealth requires hard work, not printing of currency. Feels like we are in a Jenga game, hoping for a few more rounds until someone else knocks the tower over. We are witnessing a separation of the stock market economy from the industrial economy. The legalization of a casino Ponzi scheme backed by central banks. You and I working our asses off for a salary, hoping that we can get an increase large enough to cover the inflation that is coming. Right now, anyone who has a job is extremely lucky, and if you have been able to survive the salary cuts, you have almost won the game. For now. Eventually the Ponzi scheme crashes, Main Street gets burnt, and the rich get everything. If you stay invested in equities or paper assets, you will be broke. How long can the central banks keep the casino economy propped up? What do you want to hold in your hands? A piece of paper saying you own gold, or the physical gold? Right now, silver is at $27 in paper assets, but the real metal is already at $60. Why would the physical be more expensive than the paper? Don't get caught in the central bank paper electronic Ponzi scheme. Own your real wealth, your home, your assets, your precious metals. Something big is about to happen. September has been a month of craziness in the world. The 1929 stock market crash happened in September. 9/11. 2008 crash happened in September. Last year September, the bank repo market went boom. The dot-com bubble in 2000 also happened in September. Given the current pandemic, out-of-this-world debt, ridiculous money printed, US election year, Could you see another September like those of the past? Subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thank you.